Howdy everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net, just talking about some FAQ, frequently asked questions regarding algo trading, smart algo trading. As you noticed, if you're interested in what I do, just go to quantlabs.net/algo and get yourself some free books, and we shall answer this person's questions. This person's from Belgium. So he's been watching me and he says, I'm very much into forex trading and also very much into programming. I work in IT, but never combined the two. Just like you, I use MotiveWave to trade, but like you, I am a far bigger fan of NUX, Linux systems and terminals. Program in Python quite often, but never used it for forex, never touched crypto either, because it's so volatile and no rules seem to apply to it. Your bot seems profitable though, so I wonder how you got that far. Okay, I stumbled upon your blog a while ago and your algo system looks really promising. So I was looking into buying one of your Python courses, I only have the one, to help me on my way. I watched most of your free videos and read all of your PDFs. A ton of interesting stuff there. In terms of profitability, since midnight, the forex is doing well, 83.8% win ratio, which is pretty good. And the crypto thus far since midnight, just around over 13 hours ago, is reporting at 16.42%. Very good, I think. I noticed a banner on your blog that's at the top recently that your course now includes the source code for your crypto trading bot. Which course is this? The Python 3 one? Are we talking about raw code of Python scripts then? So I'll be able to see what filters you use and what requirements need to be fulfilled before a trade gets opened or closed. Please do not think I'm lazy and do not want to put in the work, because making a serious effort never scared me. It's just nice to know how the big push in the right direction that you talk about will be. Okay, let's talk about this. So if you go over to my YouTube, actually let's start with the website. So if you go to quantlabs.net, what he's referring to on this bar, I guess is this one right here at the top in red. Click that. That will take you to a video that you can watch on YouTube or on this post. And what it will do is it will walk you through how to use a template with source code in Python to get you building your own trading bot. I mean, I would probably strongly recommend you go through the material first to understand the code. Makes sense, right? So in there, it shows you it's a 53-minute video with 2 source files in Python, with moving average for both the watch list and the positions script. I think there's some other scripts in there as well. But you'll be able to watch this video right here. That's what he's referring to. So let's answer his specific questions. Now he's asking about which course is this. As I said, I only have the one course. Actually, it's actually 2 courses. But there's one that's fairly old, Python version 2. And Python version 3. So the one I'm referring to is this one right here. Under my store, here, just come under and look for Python 3 infrastructure blocks with crypto. That's what I'm referring to. So it's specifically for crypto, and this template for this trading bot is part of that. So it's that one. So hopefully I'll answer that question. We're talking about raw code of the Python scripts then. Yes. So I'll be able to build filters you use and what requirements need to be fulfilled before a trade gets open or closed. Yes, for both. The watch list is the one where you have a set of conditions using a pretty popular Python package for technical indicators. Throughout the course and the videos and the replay videos, I talk in a variety of different indicators that I use to get this bot that I'm using for the profitable postings that you see on my social media or the website. So I do talk about the but I don't give the specific code for it. But the templates for the trading bots, I give the basic structure, and it removes all of the, I guess you could say, unnecessary components like a database or a chart, but you can learn it if you want. It's there. So he's saying, please do not think I'm lazy, do not have to put in the work. As I said all the time, you want to live well, you got to kind of get into the program. Don't use other people as crutches or third parties. Usually that will blow up if you don't have an understanding of what you're trying to accomplish and build. Okay, so let's see here. On a different note, I'm trading with FXCM and AM now, but I do not believe they're good brokers to trade algos with. Now, I'm with Awanda. As he says here, you use Awanda and Ike Feed for forex and what for crypto. Okay, so Awanda is the broker that I use. They're the largest in the world. Ike Feed, you don't need. This is long ago, but I have FXCM that provides that data through FXCM. Through Ike Feed. So the data provider for Ike Feed's data in forex is FXCM. And then there's another option if you want to get up to 40 different suppliers and data providers in Ike Feed. You can use an option on there called 10-4 for an extra $25 if that's what you really want. I don't think you really need it. And what broker for crypto? I use Binance, or what exchange? Binance, the world's largest. And they're probably the most honest as well. Thanks for taking to answer the noob questions. I don't think these are noob questions, but yeah, hopefully I'll provide you some better idea. Now, as I said, if you are interested in this, you can just download the quantlabs.net algo/algo. That'll take you to a page. You opt in with your email, and you get 2 PDFs that were mentioned. Just to give you a hint of what you can do. If you are interested in the course that I speak of, as I said, just come under the store under quantlabs.net, and you shall find, once you get there, look for Python 3 infrastructure blocks with crypto, buy now. And that's pretty well it. And also, what a lot of people don't know is we will give you access to the private chat. So you can ask all the questions you want to me and the community of people, and building that out as well for the analytics service. So it's already there, but that you get for a lifetime because you're a customer of quantlabs.net. That's pretty well it. Hopefully I'll help you out, and let me know if there's anything else. And for anybody else out there, I do sometimes answer questions like this if they're emailed to me. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.